Hello, Jacky back again. I am starting a new series. It's called Changing Aspects, and well, let's just tell you a little bit about it. This is the intro part, so I'm just gonna let you see what it is and how it's gonna work. Let's start. Whether your life goes from 0 to 100 really quick or at a snail's pace, there's always some aspect of life that you wish to control and overcome. It goes without saying that life throws enormous and numerous obstacles particular to each of us so that we can overcome them and become stronger, which ultimately leads to lessons learned. So over time, an individual will be crafted from these lessons. The crafting process can be both a blessing and a curse. How, you might ask? I'll tell you how. Well, there's two sides to such a process. One where you overcome that hurdle and learn to instill that task habitually in your daily life. And the other, well, that's simply when you aren't able to overcome the obstacles that are put in front of you, and in hindsight are forced to continue onward through your life with the aspect haunting your every moment for when it strikes again. This series was ultimately created to put a spotlight on some of life's aspects that plague you, me, your friend, your coworker, etc. No one's picture perfect. We all have our own strengths, our own weaknesses, in which it makes us ourselves as an individual. For the next couple months, I have decided to embark on a journey to creating better, healthier habits while breaking some of the old bad habits. Along the way, I will be documenting everything that will be used by myself to overcome such obstacles. As well, if these obstacles are a challenge to you, I invite you to join me in trying to change these life aspects so we all can overcome these hurdles and hence live a higher quality of life full of all the great aspects life has to offer. Thank you.